Strategi Automation Solutions has provided a machine tending solution for a spline rolling machine. Components are loaded on a multiple-track gravity chute. A Yaskawa GP12 robot picks up a component and takes it first to an inspection station. At the inspection station, the robot checks whether a slot is present on the component from an upstream machining operation. If the slot is present, the robot loads the component onto a fixture. The entire fixture then moves into the spline rolling machine for machining. In the meanwhile, the robot picks up a fresh component from machining and waits for the machining to get completed. After the spline is rolled onto the component, the entire fixture comes out of the machine along with the component. The robot then unloads the machined component and loads a fresh component for machining. The machined component is unloaded onto a multiple-track gravity exit chute. If the slot in the component is absent, the robot puts the component into a reject bin. The load-unload cycle of the robot is completed in 6 seconds. The benefits to the customer are increased productivity, better equipment utilization and higher cost efficiencies. For more details, contact StrategiAutomation.com.